Hello everyone, today I'm talking about how to reset the maintenance interval on the Lexus RX350, this Lexus of 2012. Look, when the ignition is turned on, we have a message that we need to go through the maintenance interval. Oil maintenance required soon. This means that you will need to go through maintenance soon. This inscription, as a rule, does depend on the actual wear of the oil. So if it was dropped earlier than necessary, it may light up at the wrong moment. In order to reset it, you need to set the display of our odometer to the trip of field. For this there is a ODO trip button here. We press it one time and triple lights up on the panel. Now you need to press and hold the ODO button, turn off the ignition and turn on the ignition. Now let's see. So I turn off the ignition, press and hold the ODO button and turn on the ignition. So I turned on the ignition, and we have a reset of the service interval. The interval is reset, you can ride.